Har Mahadev, Jai Somnath. Today I have had the divine experience of visiting the Somnath temple in Gujarat, and the experience has been exceptionally divine. I had the opportunity to sit in the Mahamrityunjay Mahayagya twice today, and the experience has been exceptional. I cannot explain in words what I have experienced. I had the opportunity to connect with the one today.
ખરેખર જે અનંત ઉર્જાનો અનુભવ એ ટેગલાન છે એ ખરેખર યજ્ઞની આહુતિએ મને એ અનંત ઉર્જાનો અનુભવ પ્રાપ્ત થયો છે.
I had tears in my eyes, and I can genuinely say my yatra here has been fulfilled. Jai Somnath, Jai Mahadev.